Hi, my name is John Zettler and I'm the CEO and co-founder of Commandiv. Commandiv is the first combined cryptocurrency and stock trading platform for U.S. investors. Today I'm going to be showing you how our onboarding application works. Now, this onboarding application has two goals. The first goal is to open up an advisory account with Commandiv LLC, our registered investment advisor. And second is to open an account with Third Party Trade LLC, which is the registered broker-dealer partner that we use to carry the brokerage account. Now, with this onboarding application, we integrate with two separate APIs. The first API is that of Third Party Trades, who opens and approves the account. The other API we use is Plaid, and Plaid is used to authenticate the bank account so that the user can immediately begin depositing and withdrawing money from the Commandiv account as soon as their application has been approved. So I will begin by typing in the personal information required to open the account. We've added these accordion modals throughout the onboarding application, having learned from many early attempts at onboarding clients that the same questions just kept coming up. So we built these FAQ modals on the right side so clients can get their questions answered at any point. And further, in our live environment, we also have an intercom implementation to allow individuals to chat with us directly. So now I will type in the address information required. And move to the next screen. The next three questions are specifically around building a risk profile for our clients. Now, one of the benefits of the Commandiv product is that clients immediately get a recommended target portfolio when they open up an account that they can then customize at any time. To build that recommended target portfolio, we need to take in information about the client's age, their retirement status, their wealth, as well as their risk tolerance. And the risk tolerance, which we call the GRIT score, is determined off these three questions that are coming up. So in this one, I will choose to grow my wealth. In this scenario question, I will choose the high risk option. And in the next question, I will say that in a downturn, I would buy more. So I'm relatively risk open in this scenario. I can then choose my employment status, my household income, my estimated net worth, and I can choose which type of account I choose to open. We will open IRA accounts and individual brokerage accounts. Now, we'll choose an individual brokerage account now, and it's important to note that once a client actually has an approved account, it is very simple to then open subsequent IRA accounts from the same dashboard by only re-entering their Social Security number. Moving to the next screen, we have more data to collect, which is part of the process of opening a brokerage account, and also we use data such as the date of birth to help develop what the user's age is, and that influences our target portfolio for the client. We can open accounts for anyone who is a U.S. citizen or a U.S. permanent resident. These are questions required by the SEC to make sure that the individual is not a registered representative. And finally, the user has to agree to our terms and conditions, such that they have read our Form ADV Part 2, our privacy policy, they agree to our client agreement, and they agree to the client agreement set by our broker-dealer provider. At this point, we've begun to queue the application with our broker-dealer partner so that they can begin doing the KYC and AML checks in the background. Now, we're trying to immediately push the user towards linking a bank account so that they can initiate a deposit and speed up the process towards opening a Commandiv account and having money in that account so that they can get the magic moment of our product, which are trade recommendations stacked out in front of them with one button to execute and become fully invested. So to do that, we authenticate with Plaid. A user can use microdeposit verification. However, we found very large amounts of drop-off when the user had to then go to their bank account, find the microdeposits, and then come back to our platform. So we then instead moved towards Plaid for instant authentication of the brokerage account. The user can skip it. They can choose a bank like Bank of America, or they can search for their bank. If it's a less common bank, let's say Bank of the West, for example. And then they type in their username and password from their online banking portal. And these credentials are being sent by Plaid to the bank, being confirmed, and then the user can choose which account to link to the Commandiv platform. Again, in order to push our own KPIs of the total amount of assets under advisement on our platform, we are immediately encouraging the client, once they've linked an account, to start off with initiating deposit. This helps the client move quickly from point zero to a funded account, and just better moves clients through our UX process. Once that money is deposited, that kicks off a 2-day ACH window. And again, as mentioned before, the brokerage application process has already been processed. It takes about an hour or so for our broker-dealer to do the KYC and AML. So we send automated messages via email to the client once the application has been submitted, once the application has been approved, and then continually encouraging that client to log in and get going once their money has cleared and is ready to trade. That's an overview today of our onboarding application. Feel free to reach out to myself or my co-founder Tom. So that's John Zettler, my email is John, John, @commandiv.com, or that of my co-founder Tom Goldenberg, tom@commandiv.com. And you can feel free to reach us at any point if you have more questions. Thanks so much for your time. Bye.